What's going on? Spring's here, sun's shining, spring cleaning's in the air, I think, for all of us, or just about all of us. With that in mind, I thought let's talk about a little bit of a spring cleaning tip for your car. One of the things we often don't think about or even look at is because we sometimes, as operators of vehicles, we don't know we have. One of those is the cabin air filter. Cabin air filters are generally tucked in behind glove boxes or just in behind the dash. Some are accessed from under the hood. Most of them, though, are inside the cabin. You got to pull the glove box out to get at. So it's a little bit more of a challenge to just check them. A cabin air filter is much like exactly like your furnace filter at home, where it filters the air that's going to be circulated throughout the house. The cabin filter filters the air as it comes through into the cab, and then before it gets into your vents and onto your surface. What happens, though, is if that cabin filter becomes restricted, the obvious is it's going to restrict airflow. So you're going to have a reduced percentage of airflow through the vents, which will cause problems first and foremost with your air conditioner. We'll talk about that in another video. But some of you may have noticed a reduced airflow through the vents. Maybe it sounds like it's pushing a lot of air, but it doesn't feel like it's pushing a lot of air. That's a great time to have the cabin filter looked at and just check to see what it looks like. Secondly would be worse condition. If the cabin filter is mostly restricted, air conditioning systems can actually ice up. And when that happens, it's not good for overall systems and certainly not good for the air conditioning in your car. So if you haven't had your cabin filter checked in, let's say, about a year, it's probably due, and it's a good idea just to keep that air moving, keep you fresh for the summer. Have a wonderful day.